Hello everyone, my name is Saquib. I hope you all are doing great. Friends, today I am going to practice simple present tense. I will make 5 sentences similarities and 5 sentences dissimilarities between a person and you. For example, my best friend and I both like to watch movies. This is a similarities sentences between me and my friends, and I have to make 5 sentences dissimilarities. My brother loves to socialize, whereas I feel shy to talk to someone. This is a dissimilarities between a person and you. So let's try to make 5 similar sentences between a person and you. Okay, like me and you. So let's start. My friend and I both like to play cricket. Number 2, my child and I both like to travel by metro. Point number 3, my brother and I both like to work in MNC company. Point number 4, my friend and I both like to improve my communication skill. Point number 5, my colleague and I both like to hard work for company growth and as well as our growth. Friends, these 5 sentences are similar sentences between a person and you. Now I will make 5 sentences which is dissimilarities between a person and you. Okay, let's make sentences. Sentence number 1. My friends love to talk in English, whereas I fear to talk in English. Sentence number 2. My brother loves to work in construction field, but I don't want to work in construction field. Friends, sentence number 3. My child loves to eat non-veg food, whereas I loves to eat veg foods. Friends, sentence number 4. Friends, my friends love to watch movie, whereas I love to watch cricket match. Sentence number 5 and last. My friends loves to talk to a stranger, whereas I feel shy to talk to a stranger. Friends, I have made 10 sentences, 5 similarity sentences and 5 dissimilarity sentences. Friends, you can practice in the same way for speaking practice, for improving your communication skill. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.